How to lose lots of weight in 1 week. Losing weight is not easy. It is probably one of the most difficult things many people have faced in their lives. However, given all the difficulties, it can be done, and sometimes much easier than you think. The question, however, is how? And do you know what to do? And how to do it best to get the result you seek? Keep watching, because this video will teach you how and ways to get that done and quicker. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. If you are like most people, trying to maintain a healthy weight might be a constant struggle for you. You can exercise regularly, watch what you eat, and still take too long to reach your weight loss goals. But did you know there are ways you can shed off excess pounds in a short period? All it takes is the right combination of diet and exercise to burn plenty of calories and boost your metabolism at the same time. Seeing results both on the scale and around your waist need not take too long. Following are some of the most effective strategies, diets, and specific exercise regimens that you must follow to lose lots of weight in 1 week. Watch every step, because doing them all together, you will reach your goal quicker. Try intermittent fasting. According to an article published by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, over 40 studies have confirmed that intermittent fasting is indeed an effective way to lose weight fast. Among the most favored intermittent fasting method is time-restricted feeding. This is where you eat only during an 8-hour window each day. This not only limits your daily calorie intake, but will also boost fat burning. One of the best things intermittent fasting can do for you is that it can benefit your heart health, reduce insulin resistance, lower your chances of type 2 diabetes, and prevent cancer, plus many more benefits. Eat a lot of proteins. It is commonly known that eating plenty of proteins is critical to weight loss. Furthermore, a study published by Obesity Facts in 2017 has shown that people who follow a high-protein diet lose significantly more weight than those who adhere to the standard recommended dietary allowance. The study suggests that you can experience rapid weight loss if you consume at least 0.67 grams of protein per pound of body weight. So if you currently weigh 180 pounds, make sure you eat at least 120 grams of protein per day. Cut off all sugar. Sugary foods and beverages do not just fill you up with empty calories, but also affect your insulin levels and liver health. In turn, that makes you more likely to gain weight and store fat. To lose weight quickly, avoid all simple sugars as well as starches. In general, it is also best to avoid most carbohydrates, which are broken down into glucose within the body. Consume plenty of fiber. Consuming plenty of fiber will help you feel full for longer. This will enable you to consume fewer calories per day without feeling hungry. Additionally, fiber will cleanse your stomach and intestines of toxins. That alone can help you shed excess pounds. Further, it will help make your digestive system more efficient over time. Avoid all processed foods. Canned and ready-to-eat meals might be more convenient, but their preservatives and other unhealthy ingredients might keep you from losing weight. As you work towards your ideal weight, try to stick with minimally processed options and try to prepare all your meals yourself so you can decide on all the things that go in them. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking lots of water and other calorie-free beverages will help you detoxify your body and make it more efficient at digesting your food. It will also help you feel full for longer, so you end up eating less throughout the day. Additionally, proper hydration is necessary for muscle growth and maintenance. Engage in HIIT. According to a study published by the Journal of Diabetes Research in 2017, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, enables you to lose the same amount of weight in 50% less time as compared to typical cardiovascular exercises. HIIT workouts are completely customizable according to your preferred way to exercise. All you need to do is alternate between periods of intensive exercise where your heart rate increases to about 70% of your maximum, and rest, where your heart rate decreases to about 50% of your maximum. These changes might seem drastic, but this is a proven effective way to lose lots of weight in just 1 week. If you are tired of struggling for too long to achieve your ideal body, follow these tips, and you will notice visible results immediately. Apart from weight loss, this lifestyle change will also boost your energy and improve your health overall. Following are study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.